Hey beauties, welcome back. Today, I'll show you how to shape eyebrows like a pro using thread. This gives you clean, defined brows without harsh chemicals. Ensure your face is clean. I'm using toner to remove oil or makeup. This helps the thread glide smoothly and keeps skin irritation free. Cut 12 inches of thread, tie the ends to make a loop, and twist it. This creates an X shaped to catch hairs. Move the twisted section, gliding it along your brow line. Stretch the skin gently. Start underneath to define, then move to the top. Take time around the arch. Look at that. Clean, shaped, balanced brows. A smooth finish that lasts longer than tweezing. After threading, soothe skin. I'm applying aloe vera gel to calm redness and close pores. Easy, clean, salon quality brows at home. If you enjoyed this, like and subscribe.
Eyebrow threading, a great technique for beautifully shaped brows today. Our skilled technician uses twisted cotton thread to gently remove unwanted hair, creating perfect lines. This method ensures a perfectly trimmed shape, enhancing your natural beauty always.
Discover flawless brows with our precise threading technique.